Gearhead Performance.
Yeah, to pick up, as you saw in the last video, we have to get some nitrous jets. We weren't going to run any jets, but the line just won't seal without a jet in it. So we got to come here and get their biggest jets and stick them in there. And we got to list a couple of other things we need to finish that Ranger up.
So we need, obviously, as Larry said, we need a nitrous jet, fuel jets. Need a dash 4 male Y. So
Why do we need
why do we need it? Because
we're running two bottles.
Two bottles of nitrous. We need bottle brackets, some vacuum hoses because we found a couple leaks off of the EGR, so we got to fix that. Dad's biggest thing is making sure everything is A-okay and there's no stupid issues. Gonna get some zip ties and shop around in there, so you guys will see what's going on in there. So we also want to point out that for some reason, everything in Florida, wherever you go, whether you're going to the track or you're going back to your Airbnb or your hotel or you're going to Gearhead Performance or wherever the hell you're going,
it's an hour away.
Everything's an hour away. What the hell is that shit? All right, we're gonna head in here, so stay tuned. We're racing in lemullets.
Okay. Oh, right, yeah.
I won the race over there.
I seen that.
I need nitrous jets, fuel jets, some zip ties.
Okay. What nitrous jet you looking for?
Chart here.
This isn't for
Yeah, no, this is for burnout. We're putting a 150 shot
Nitrous on the
range that we want.
Oh, okay. Nice.
I need, on the nitrous side, I need a 52, a 57, and a 62.
I have a 62.
Perfect.
And then you said, what was the 52 I don't have?
Okay.
What's
57 maybe? Looks like we're
Yes.
leaning more on
I got a
this.
57 and a 62.
I'll take those two.
Okay.
And on the fuel side, 57, 62, I need a 33 and a 37. We're going a little bit on the spicy side, I guess.
I don't have a 33 or a 37 here.
Son of a.
Yeah, let me see if I have anything else. I have a 36, and then let's see. And a 42.
42. We'll take those two as well.
Okay. So 62, 57, 36, and a 42.
Alright, well, we gotta get rid of this used gear oil, which is pretty clean for what it came out of. So we're gonna go over to the tech building, dump this in the waste oil. We need to move our gooseneck trailer forward. We got a burnout car out, blah, 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 blah. But nobody's here.
Well, first maybe we should kind of fill you in. We didn't blog any of it or anything because it really wasn't interesting, but we did have some truck issues on the way down here. So basically for about the last 4 hours of the trip, his truck was in limp mode. We could only go about 65 miles an hour because the 9th injector went bad. So we stopped at what was that, Amco? Where, do you remember where it was?
It was just north of the Florida-Georgia line.
Yeah, we'll have to look. We got the business card. We'll have to give it a proper shout out. They tried to help us out and force a regen on it. Just didn't do anything, so we had to limp it to Bradenton. And when we got here, we found a dealership. So we got to give a shout out to Cox Chevrolet in Bradenton. They have the truck right now, and they're doing their best to get it fixed for us. So we have no truck to move that big trailer, so we got to find other ways.
Yeah, you got it. Make sure it's not too heavy.
What?
Make sure it's not too heavy.
Too heavy?
Is it?
Yeah. Too heavy.
Doesn't even move it?
Nah. There?
Well, you gotta level it. Now up, the whole thing. In, you got it. Now, is this gonna pull it ahead, get the car out, and then push it back?
No, you gotta leave it back.
Huh?
You gotta leave it back.
This way? How far?
Get the car out.
Wait.
Full bottle right there. Nitrous are in, hooked up. Burnout tires are on. All the lights work. Got a strobe light going up there. Wipers stuck. Lights work in the front. Might be too much. Get the wheels spinning.
We popped something off.
Yeah. Pop the hood, Larry.
You gotta have some RPMs in it.
That was to the floor.
Yeah, but the wheels, what was happening?
We had a little bit of a backfire. I don't think the nitrous is gonna work when it's spraying back there. Okay. Plan number 2.
Where's the thing?
What thing?
I think a lot of the people don't need any discussion here. We're the ones that do.
I need to play. They're going to have to keep me out there.
I feel like the best move is just to fucking weld the shots. It's got so much body roll coming into these turns.